Nice squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I am back with another video for head top. What is going on, everybody? Yeah? What you need, cuz? I was in the middle of actually vlogging. You know what I'm saying? If you needed something. You good? That boy Brady. Hey man, as y'all can see, me and Unbreakable linked up. He's here in Atlanta. He's down here for Thanksgiving because me and him both love the turkey. You know what I'm saying? So we out here about to go and get these black static joints. Me on my hand, I've never got a pair. This will be my first pair. As y'all can see, my man's been had it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to finally get these in the Bro, what is you? Bro, mannequin challenge, bro. What are you doing? Listen, everybody, I've been saying this on my Instagram. I've been saying this on my YouTube channel. Rejuvenator is having a 50% off sale right now. If you use promo code SNIPE50, you get 50% off the entire store and you get a gift. You know what I'm saying?
You get a free gift, too.
Get a little something extra. Use that code, and if you use it, you know what I'm saying, screenshot it, send it to me. I'll throw you on a story, you know what I'm saying? I'll shout you out because I always got to show the love back.
Oh, that's dope.
As you guys know, man, you know today's vlog is about to be lit. You know it's about to be going crazy because we need the energy. Why is this man vlogging on top of me, bro? He's stealing my joint.
On the story, bro. I will throw you in the story. So for Rejuvenator,
that's crazy.
Use that promo code.
That's crazy.
Unbreak50.
This is why YouTubers don't work with YouTubers. Because they just steal everything you come up with, man. That's crazy. Today on foot, man, I'm bringing out the Shatter Backboard 3.0s. I have not wore these joints yet. You know what I'm saying? Unds gang. I'm going to unds these. And that's pretty much the vibes for the day. Hopefully we run into some of y'all while we out here. Ray got to go to like 18 different stores. Y'all know Atlanta. Y'all know it's spaced out. It's gonna be a long day, you know what I'm saying? So just, I don't know, bro. Just pray for it. Anyways, man, I will catch up with y'all. We're gonna get this thing rolling. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, you already know the vibes, man. Subscribe to the channel right now. The road to 100K. It's in effect. That's on dog. Also, y'all know I need to take some of these back. You know what I'm saying? I need to take some of these Off-Whites back. And we're supposed to be going to the Nike store, and we're supposed to be going to Lenox, which has a Nike store. So I might just be going and taking these joints back today. So I'm probably gonna bring these with me too. But all that being said, man, let's get it. Boom! Right now we at South Lake Mall, man. Stop vlogging, bro. Stop vlogging over me, bro. What are you doing right now, bro? I'm gonna let him go. I'm gonna let him go. I'm gonna let him go. Okay, look, we up here at South Lake Mall. You already know the vibes, boy. I'm feeling good right now, even though today's kind of a slow day. Some bad things happened this morning, but I ain't gonna let it affect my energy. It's all about your energy. That's on dog. As y'all know what I'm saying, I get lit in my vlog. So if your first time ever watching the vlog, be prepared to be lit, boy. That's on God.
I gotta believe. He gonna die to leave. He gonna believe me.
Now listen, man, I'm telling y'all, one thing I hate doing is driving. And Big Bro here, and he hit on a few pairs. It's spaced out throughout the whole city, and I have to drive, bro. But you know what? I took this one on the chin, bro. I said, you know what? You know what? I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and do it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because when I'm in his city, and he was driving too, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. He was driving too.
Man,
so,
bro, like a slave.
Yeah, like a slave, man. So it's only right I return the favor. Give me some gas.
Gotcha.
No.
You say what? Hell no.
This man Break been talking about Bojangles since I picked him up this morning. Man, what is it about Bojangles you like so much? I've never had it. I've been living in Atlanta and I've never even had it.
Down south cuisine.
Where you going, bro?
I thought you had that finish one.
Usually this foot action let me record in here. It's been a while. I don't really know the vibes like that, so we're gonna see. Alright guys, the pair is officially picked up. I could not vlog as much as I wanted to because it was way too much music. I think like nowadays, you know what I'm saying, they trying to hate on the vloggers low key because every single store I go in, bro, they sound like an album release party in most of these joints, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. But now all we gotta do is head to Break's side of town, let him pick up his shoes from like the end of earth. And that's it. All right, you guys, we at the second mall right now. We at Cumberland Mall, and Cumberland Mall is packed. Now, what make me mad is I just drove around the parking spot for an hour looking for a spot. And look at that. I had to park way back there in the boonies. Well, it's a spot right there, bro. Look at that. If Break can fit in there, my car can fit in there. And I already knew going sneaker picking up shoes on Black Friday was gonna be crazy, but I didn't know it was gonna be this crazy. But the people, man, definitely showing love. The people have definitely been showing love the last few stops we've made, whether if it was like Cumberland or whether if it was like South Lake. So shout out to the people that we ran into today. I appreciate it. We still gotta make a drive all the way out to Lenox. If anybody live in Atlanta, do you know? I just came from South Lake to Cumberland to Lenox. I done drove through the whole, nine, man. And I done came through in the clutch. I came through in the clutch. My boy Break had an extra pair just sitting out there like a sitting duck. He hit me up. You know what I'm saying?
My man's coming out with a bag, so that's good news.
Hey, listen, man. Look, your boy Sniped and came through. You should have seen Break face when I came out of there.
Man, look.
Hey, show the face, man.
I was recording the whole time. I'm like, look, man, it's taking a long time. It don't take that long, bro. It don't take that long, but he came out with a what? A W, so let's get it.
Some of that shit is dead. Hey, look, bro, I ain't gonna hold you. We had to wait like a smooth little grip for this parking spot. All right, here, we finally got the shoes I'm taking back to Nike. No, they're not in a Nike bag, but it don't matter. I got them online. I gotta take these Vapor Streets back, bro. I need my bread back because I'm never gonna wear these joints. It took me like 2 hours to find a parking spot. I don't know why they going crazy right now because I get it's Black Friday, bro, but I have never seen this many people in one spot at one time. Break. Tell the people how many people out here,
bro. It is crazy.
Like Times Square out here or something like that.
It's crazy. It's busting. It's Black Friday. It's good vibes, man.
Crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk straight into Nike. I know I said I probably wasn't gonna be able to vlog to do it, but your boy Sniping in the gym, so I can hold like 3 bags in my hand and still hold the camera. You know what I'm saying? Your boy Snipe Jones been in the gym, bro. You see the gains, bro? You see the gains? He ate. What are you in now?
Yeah. Hey, Bobo.
Alright,
bro, why does this man always do this, bro? All I want to do is go vlogging without you vlogging on top of me, bro. Pause.
Let's see if Lenny's got some extra, nah, this was Macy's finish line.
Yeah, this ain't got nothing, but look, mission accomplished. As y'all can see, no more bags in my hands because I returned all my pairs of Off-Whites from Nike. Shout out to Nike because Nike return is super easy and they give you your money back right on the spot. So I finally got my bread back for those Vapor Streets. Now we got to continue to go on this wild goose chase for this man to pick up his pairs. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. You owe me, bro. I done been to Bangkok, Bangladesh, Europe, Paraguay, and I ain't pick up no shoes, bro. It's all for you.
Telling me to breathe. All right, let's get it.
Look at this line, bro. So not only did this man have me travel all across the world, we gotta stay in line for like another 30 minutes just so you can get your pair, bro. Can you just tell the people, bro? Tell the people what I've been through. Tell them what I've been through today, you know what I'm saying? If he ain't gonna tell y'all, I'll tell y'all what I've been through. Look, I'm dehydrated, I'm hungry, I'm sleep deprived.
You just drunk a king size smoothie, bro.
It was a medium.
Okay.
I'm sleep deprived, I'm hungry, you know what I'm saying?
Is the Bojangles in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Bojangles in here for you, bro. All right, man, so that is all of the malls today, bro. We gotta, hold on, talk to the people, bro. Tell them what we went through just
Now the hairs on my beard, I barely made it, bro.
Just for parking. I think we spent at least 40 minutes for parking, no over exaggeration. Every mall has literally been crazy, chaotic. Perimeter was even more crazier than Lenox. We was literally driving around the parking lot for about 30 to 40 minutes for a single parking spot. Break had to get out and intimidate somebody with his beard just so I can actually get a parking spot. I never seen nothing like it before. The running around is finally over. The pairs is finally picked up. Now I'm about to head back to the crib, show these off. My personal pair, my only pair I've ever had. As I told y'all, he got his pair on foot, so he been had his. I'm tired, bro. I still got the items from Thanksgiving. I've been running around. All that turkey I ate yesterday, bro, it done wore off. Between all the running I done did, picking up all these shoes, man. We done went from South Lake all the way up to Perimeter, you know what I'm saying? So that's crazy. All right, you guys, we are back at the crib finally after so many hours of driving. I cannot explain to y'all how many hours I have been driving today. No cap, if you add up the mileage that I drove today, I probably drove out of town, back in town, back out of town. It was so much going on. But man, huge shout out to the homie Unbreakable, man. He did pull up as y'all seen in the vlog today. So if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe to him, man, his link is down below in the description. Also guys, we are doing a giveaway, me, him, and Flight. We are giving away a pair of Air Jordan Bred 11s. It's simple to enter that contest. All you have to do is subscribe to all 3 of us. Follow all 3 of us on Instagram. Comment done under this video, and that's over at Unbreakable Kicks Instagram channel as well. So as I told you guys, this is my first time ever purchasing the Yeezy V2 Black Static, and I've always wanted this shoe. I'm a very big fan of the Statics, man. As y'all see behind me, I have the white Static. This is the 350. I also recently just picked up the Static 700. So as you can see, when it comes down to the Static, I do like the colorway. I think they're pretty dope. I'm not gonna hold you. Especially the 700. This is probably one of my favorites other than the Wave Runner. It's probably number 2 for me. I rocked this one yesterday. I also threw a pic on the gram, so head over to Instagram real quick, get at a like for your boy, you know what I'm saying? But of course, for the moment we've all been waiting for, man, I have not took these out the box, because if you're new to my channel, then I do not, I repeat, I do not open up the box and give it that first look until I bring it back to you guys together. Now, of course, like I said, this pair already re-released. We're already released, so I already know what it looks like, but still, to have my own personal pair feels good. Hiya! Here we have the Yeezy 350 Black Static. All black, this nice matte black colorway. I thought I was done with the Yeezy 350. I'm not gonna hold you, man. I really thought I was done. They got the 380 out now. They got the 500 high. Kanye is definitely starting to switch it up and getting away from this model. But it is like that Yeezy. What was it, like a, I don't know. It kind of looked like the semi-frozen, but it was like a different color. It had like the glow in the dark green mixed with like some gray. I think it was like Zenful or something like that. I don't know what it's called, but I want that one too. Like, guys, this pair is supposed to be like the V2 version of a Black Pirate. You know, the Black Pirate was one of the first Yeezys of the first model, and also it had to be like one of the most copied. I think that the Pirate Black had to be one of the most fake pairs of all Yeezy. Had to be like the Black Pirate. It was crazy. You know, those dotted lines on the back heel tab definitely give you that Yeezy Black Pirate vibes, man. But all in all, this is a dope sneaker, and I'm very, very excited to finally bring this back. I gotta do some rearranging, of course, to get this up here with the rest of the 350s, but without a doubt, man, they're going up there ASAP. If you guys enjoyed the video, man, please leave a like. I'm probably gonna do a review on these, even though most of you already have them, and most of you already done ran through your pairs, man. So I might just do this for myself. Regardless, man, I appreciate y'all for coming through and watching as always. Huge shout out to everybody who showed love today when I hit up the malls, man. I'm not really a big fan of going to the malls. I might do it for like a pickup vlog, but I'm in and out. I never really stay around. So many people came up today and showed love, and I did not get a chance to get some of y'all in the vlogs just because I had to go over the world before 3 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? I had to be all over the world before 3 o'clock and make sure that pairs was picked up. But thank y'all so much, man. I appreciate y'all. It just showed me, like, Snipe Squad, man, we growing. I remember when I would just go pick up shoes and nobody knew who I was. You know what I'm saying? I was just back in the cut. And you know what I'm saying, now just to see how far we've came, just to look at the traction and all the things we've been able to do, I mean, I couldn't do it without y'all, man. So I thank you wholeheartedly, man. Snipe Squad, you know what I'm saying? It's the vibe. Until next time, it is your boy Snapper Jones, and I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.